Good morning, children. How are you all doing? Hope all of you are fine. Be safe, children. Wash your hands frequently. Proper hygiene is very important to be healthy. Will you do, children? Today we are going to learn Maths Chapter 2 Addition. Children, in this module we are going to learn what is meant by addition, terms used in addition, and rules of addition. Children, now we are going to learn what is meant by addition. Putting the things together is called as an addition. Example, if your father gave you 3 laddus, if your mother gave you 2 laddus, when you put the 3 and 2 laddus in a one plate together, then you will get a 5 laddus. So putting the things together is called as an addition. Or process of calculating the total of 2 or more numbers, also called as a addition. Calculating not only 2 numbers, more than a 2 numbers also, if you calculate, if you put together, then it is called as a addition. We can do the addition in a standing line or in a sleeping line. If you do the addition using a sleeping line means, then it is called as a horizontal addition. If you're doing in a standing line means, it's called as a vertical addition. Terms used in addition. We use certain terms in addition. The first number what we are writing on the top is called as a first addend. The second number what we are writing in the down is called as a second addend. The answer of addition is called as a sum. This is very important note. The sum is always greater than the addend. The sum is always greater than the addend. If you see here, 65 is greater than the first addend and second addend, except when one of the addend is 0. Only in this case, if any one of the addend is 0, then the sum will be equal to the addend. It will not be greater than. Except when one of the addend is 0, that time alone the sum will be equal to the addend. Rules related to addition. First rule, when you change the order of numbers while adding, the sum does not change. See here, children, when you change the order of number in addition, the sum does not change. Let us see the example. 14 is added with 13. The answer what you are getting is 27. So this is the first addend, second addend, and the answer of addition is called as a sum. Now we are going to change the order. The second addend, here I am putting the second addend as a first addend and first addend as a second addend. See here, the 13 becomes a first addend and 14 becomes a second addend. When you change the order, then also the answer is, when you add 13 plus 14, you will get 27. When you change the order also, the sum does not change. It remains same. Children, coming to the second rule. When you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after or successor. What is meant by successor? Successor means after number. The other word for successor is after number. See here, when you add 1 to a number, you will get an after number. Let us see the example, children. 8 is added with 1. What is the answer you are getting? After number of 8 is what? 9. So remember that when you add any number with 1, you will get the after number. See here in the next example, 1 is added with 25. So what you will get when you add any number with 1, you will get the after number. What is the after number of 25? 26. Coming to the third rule. When you add 0 to a number, the sum is the same number. Let us see the example, children. When you add 21 to a 0, what answer you will get? You will get the same number. So understand, children, when you add 0 to a number, you will get the same number. 21 is added with a 0, you will get the same number 21. Same way, 0 is added to 9. So what number you will get? Same number 9. So understand, this is very easy rule. When you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Children, now we are going to learn few sum related to the rules of addition. First one, addition with 1. When we add 1 to any number or any number to 1, the sum is the after number. Let us see the example. 9 is added with 1. So the answer is the after number of 9. The after number of 9 is what? 10. Coming to the next example, 21 is added with 1. The after number of 21 is 22. Coming to the next example, 1 is added with 55. The after number of 55 is what? 56. Coming to the next example sum. D. 1 is added with 342. The answer is after number of 342 is what? 343. Example sum. 7 is added with 1. So the answer is after number of 7 is 8. Next example. First you have to add the ones place and then on the tens place. 6 is added with 1. When you add 6 with 1, what you have to write? After number of 6 is 7. And 1 nothing means you have to write 1 as it is. Coming to the next example. 1 is added with 8. When any number is added with 1, you have to write the after number 8. After number of 8 is 9. And nothing here. So 9 is added with nothing means same number 9. With 0. When you add any number with 0 or 0 with any number, the sum will be the same number. Let us see few example children. 9 is added with 0, so the sum is same number 9. Here 7 is added with 0, so the answer is same number 7. Here 0 is added with 3, so the answer is same number 3. Same way I showed a vertical addition also children. Make 10 using two single digit number. Children, in this we are going to make a 10 with a two single digit number. Shall we do children? Yes. First we will start with the 0. We learn the rules. Yes or no? Yes. In this rule we learn that any number added with 0 gives a same number. So if 0 is added with 10 gives a same number. Or you can write in other way also. If 10 is added with 0 gives a same number. Yes children, this is when you change the order also the answer will be same. That only I will show you. Here the first addend is 0. Here the second addend is 0. Here the second addend is 10. Here the first addend is 10. Here we change the order. Then also the answer both are same. Children, now we are going to do one activity to understand how to make 10. 10 fingers. With the 10 fingers, I need to make a 10. Here 10 only. How I make a two single digit number with 10? Yes. First I am making closing all the fingers. First just see here only one finger. I consider this one as a first addend. And remaining fingers I group and make a second addend. How many fingers are grouped here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I grouped 9 here. So what is the first addend? 1. And the grouped finger is the second addend. The grouped finger is what? 9. So 1 plus 9 gives what? 10. Children, how to write that? We took the first addend as a 1, second addend as a 9. 1 plus 9 gives a 10. Here we change the order. If when you change the order also the answer will be same. That only we learnt in a rule. Again we are going to do that activity. Now I am going to take the first addend as a 2 fingers. Before we took as a 1, now I am going to take as a 2 and remaining fingers I grouped and take as a second addend. How many fingers are grouped here? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8 gives what? 10. Children, now I am going to write that first addend as a first addend what we took? We took as a 2. And the second addend we took as a 8. So 2 plus 8 gives a 10. Now we are going to change the order and write. What will be the first number? Yes, 8. And then second addend will be 2. What it gives? 10. Children, now you tell me what will be the first addend? Yes, it's a 3. It's a 3 and then I group the rest fingers together. So what it will be? 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 7 gives what? 10. 3 plus 7 gives 10. We are going to write that. What is the first addend we took? 3. And second addend 7. So 3 plus 7 gives a 10. Now I am going to change the order and write 7 plus 3 gives 10. Now tell me what will be the first addend? Yes, 4. 4 and rest finger together make a second addend. What is the rest finger? 5 plus 1, 6. So 4 plus 6 gives a 10. How to write that? 4 will be the first addend and second addend is 6. Now I am going to change the order and write 6 plus 4 gives a 10. What will be the next? First addend will be 5. Next addend will be remaining group together is a 5. So 5 plus 5 gives what? 10. So how to write that? We all know that 5 plus 5 gives a 10. So if you change the order also, the order will be here. It will be same only, children, because both the addends are same. So when you change the order also, it will be same only. Children, you have to bygot all the sum in making 10. All the sum you have to bygot it, because this will be very useful in doing a addition easily. Children, I hope you all understand the concept. Thank you, children. Have a blessed day.